How to bulk deploy any plugin on multiple servers. Are you installing plugins one by one on different servers? This approach is time-consuming, repetitive, and prone to errors. That's where bulk deployment comes in. With bulk deployment, you can install or update plugins across multiple servers in just a few clicks. It saves time, ensures consistency, and simplifies monitoring. In this video, we'll show you how to bulk deploy a plugin using the Site 24/7 web client. Before you begin, let's make sure everything's in place. First, the Site 24/7 Windows or Linux server monitoring agent should be installed on all the servers where you want the plugin. Second, ensure the IT automation module is enabled for the agent. And third, check the individual plugin documentation and ensure all prerequisites are met. Now, prepare the plugin files for installation. Go to Site 24/7's GitHub repository and download the required plugin files. The repository link is available in the description. Put the files in a folder. For example, if you're installing the Scheduled Task plugin, place scheduledtask.py and scheduledtask.cfg inside a folder named Scheduled Task. Configure the CFG file as needed. Note that if you're deploying a custom plugin, you can put these files in a folder as well with an appropriate name. Then, zip the folder. This zip file is what you'll upload during the deployment process. Next, log in to the Site 24/7 web client. Navigate to Plugins, and click Plugin Bulk Deployment. In the form, select Add Any Plugin from the two options at the top. Enter a name for the bulk deployment task. Choose the operating system. Select the servers where the plugin should be installed. Then, upload the zip file you just created. Read the disclaimer, check the box, and click Add Monitor. Note that if any of the selected servers already have that plugin, it will be replaced with the new version. To see how your deployment is going, click the Deployment History tab. You'll find the status for each server, whether the plugin was installed successfully or not. And that's it. You've just added a plugin to multiple servers in one go using the Site 24/7 web client. It's faster, cleaner, and way more efficient than installing them one by one. Thanks for watching. Happy monitoring.